This is insane, guys. I just created this professional roofing company WordPress website using Claude AI and Elementor. And the best part, you can recreate almost any modern business website, whether it's for roofing company, plumber, electrician, or any other local business in just a few minutes using AI. No more spending countless hours dragging and dropping elements or trying to create complex layouts manually. Simply find a website inspiration you like on any platform like Pinterest, Figma, Dribble, or Behance. Give it to Claude AI and let it generate a beautiful Elementor ready WordPress website without writing a single line of code. This is episode 1 of 10 business websites with Claude AI series, where I will show you how to build stunning business websites that you can use for your clients or your own agency. So make sure to watch this complete video and follow my workflow step by step. And here is a quick disclaimer. This video is completely for educational purposes. I don't recommend to copying someone else's work, but taking inspiration should be completely fine, I guess. Let's get started. So I have already downloaded my own image inspiration for the website. Okay, as you can see, it's for a roofing company and it's looking professional and amazing, guys. Okay, and especially what I liked about its hero section background image and professional layout. Okay, so I have downloaded that particular hero section background image as well, and I will be using the same image on my WordPress Elementor website. Okay, as you can see over here. So in order to do that, let me log in into my WordPress admin dashboard and let me upload that specific image. After that, we will simply copy the link of that image URL and we will provide it to Claude. Okay, so it will be very simple for us in a single run. Okay, so let me simply copy the image URL. After that, let's go to Claude, and after that, let's go to my blog for the prompt. Okay, so this is the blog I have created with the optimized prompt. I will put the link into the description so you guys can simply go and copy that. It's divided into two prompt section. First prompt section lets you convert any image inspiration into an HTML, Tailwind CSS and JS website, which will be fully optimized for Elementor conversion. Okay, so let me simply paste that prompt, and after that you can simply attach the image inspiration. Okay, in the business details you can put them manually, or you can simply write that pick from the image inspiration. Okay, if you want to be specific, feel free to change the names and everything else. Okay, after that let me simply attach the image inspiration we have. It's right here. Okay, let me select that and let's click open, and after that we will be able to convert this into a fully working HTML website. Okay, for the image inspiration we have already copied our image URL, so let me simply specify that for the hero section background image use this URL. Okay, so it will be very simpler for Claude to pick our URL online and put that into our website. Okay, so let's go to our WordPress admin again and let me copy and paste the image URL and let's hit enter. Okay, so now Claude will do all the heavy liftings and give us the full website layout ready within minutes. So let's wait for some time. And amazing, guys, we have got our website ready. So let me simply click on download all and let me download all the codes. Okay, and after that we will be able to extract that file and able to view it on our local server. Okay, so let me simply right click and extract this file. Okay, let's click extract all and let's click extract, and after that let's open that file. After that let's click on index.html and our website will be loaded on our local server. Okay, as you can see, guys, this is looking insane. I mean, just look at this. It has created all the other necessary sections because we had just given it the hero section inspiration, but just look at this. This is already looking insane and amazing, guys. Okay, and it has literally cloned our website within minutes. Okay, just look at these sections. Everything is fully ready and you can simply sell this kind of website for 1,000 to 2,000 USD simply. Okay, so you can simply contact the businesses and show them the demo, and after that you can simply convert it into a WordPress Elementor website and provide them a powerful backend for easy dragging and dropping. Okay, so this is completely game changing by Claude. Okay, I really loved this website overall and we have created literally in just 5 minutes. Now let's open our image inspiration and compare it side by side so that we can see how much effectively we were able to clone our website. Okay, so here is our image inspiration, or here is our actual website. As you can see, it's literally the same, guys. Okay, I mean, just look at this. The Claude is insane, guys. Very powerful. I mean, I have just loved this complete workflow. Okay, so now we are ready to convert this website, the HTML website, to an actual WordPress Elementor website. So in order to do that, let's go to my blog again. I have already drafted the prompt 2 for the sub part in order to convert this kind of HTML website into a native Elementor JSON template, which can be simply uploaded into any WordPress powered website. Okay, so in order to do that, let me simply copy this, as it already mentions that use only native Elementor widgets. Okay, so let me simply copy this whole prompt and let's go to Claude AI and let me simply paste it. Okay, after pasting it, you can simply attach the HTML, CSS and JS version of your website. Let me change the name over here. Okay, because I didn't remember the name exactly, so I can simply put the convert the attached HTML website into a native Elementor JSON template. Okay, so you can do the same, no issue. After that, let's attach the website codes. Let's select them all. Okay, after that, click open and it will be attached with our Claude AI. Okay, after that, let's simply hit enter and Claude will start doing all the heavy liftings in order to convert this HTML website into a fully working WordPress Elementor template, and it will provide us the additional CSS code which we will be able to paste into WordPress customizer. Okay, so as simple as that, this workflow is very simple. Let the Claude AI complete its work and we will get back once it will be ready. Meanwhile, let me show you how can you install the WordPress after getting domain and hosting. So I have already created a domain and hosting buying guide and I will put into the description so you guys can simply go and follow it. Okay, so this guide is very simple. It has all the steps listed on how to buy a hosting using Hostinger hosting company. Let me show visually as well over here. Let's go to step 1 and click on visit Hostinger and you will be able to land on this Hostinger website. After that, simply click on view plans and they have multiple plan listed for the web hosting plans. Okay, I will suggest you to go with this unlimited plan because it's on a special offer of 80% off, so you can simply grab this deal. Okay, it is offering unlimited website hosting at very reasonable price right now. Okay, as you can see, you will be able to claim a free domain for 1 year. Okay, absolutely for free, and also 50 GB of NVMe storage. You will be able to host node.js websites, also the WordPress website. So this can be a perfect plan. Okay, so let's click on choose plan button, and on the next page it will ask you to pick a duration. So make sure to pick a duration long enough so that you can claim your free domain. 1 year or 2 year is recommended because if you will choose 1 month plan, you won't be able to get a free domain. Okay, so make sure to take it into account. Okay, and after that, simply click on a continue button and you will be able to sign up with them using your Google account. Let's click on continue, and after that you can simply sign up with them using your Google or GitHub account. Okay, so after signing up, you will be able to make the payments, and after that you will be able to simply install the WordPress. They offer one-click WordPress installation, which is very useful for beginners. Okay, I will make sure to put the tutorial guide link for that as well. By the way, I have already installed WordPress on my subdomain, so let me show you the next steps. Okay, so we need to install a theme first. So let's go to appearance and themes, and after that search for Astra over here. Okay, let's click on add theme over here and let's search Astra and install one of the most popular WordPress theme. It has lots of customizations and amazing features. So let me simply install this theme and let's activate. And done, guys. Okay, so we just need one more plugin named Elementor, and it's for drag and drop page builder. Okay, and it's an amazing plugin, guys, and it's very popular in WordPress, and it's for a good reason, because it lets you simply drag and drop elements and create beautiful looking stunning websites. Okay, so let me simply install and activate that as well. Let's activate, and great, so we have installed our theme and our plugin, both amazing. Now let me show you how can you add a new page on the website so that we can import our Elementor JSON template. Okay, simply click on add page over here. Let's name it home, and after that click on publish button, and after that we will be able to edit this page with Elementor. Okay, so simply click on edit with Elementor, and we will need to select the page layout on the next page. Okay, so our goal is to get rid of this title and the header section on the top. Okay, so in order to do that, simply click on page settings over here, and under layout make sure to select the Elementor canvas, and it will remove this top two. Now let's get back to Claude AI, and as we can see, it has already created our Elementor JSON template file and the additional CSS file. So we can simply download them and upload them on our WordPress website. So let me simply download this and upload it on Elementor. Let's select our template, and here it is. Let me simply click on open, and let's enable an import. And after that, let me simply click on insert button, and our template will be inserted on our WordPress page. And as you can see, the whole layout is now ready, but it's definitely not looking like our HTML website or image inspiration. No issues. Let me simply publish this page, and after that, let's go to Claude AI and let's copy and paste the additional CSS code to WordPress customizer. Okay, let me simply copy it, and let's go to WordPress customizer, and let me simply paste it. And check this out, guys, the whole look has been improved in a single snap. This is insane. Okay, so after that, let's simply publish it, and let me simply open the page in a new tab, and check this out. This is now looking completely identical to our HTML version, the image inspiration, and this workflow is pretty insane, guys. Okay, so I am just simply loving it. Just check this out, the all sections, they are looking almost identical, the animations and everything else. There is just one flaw, as I can see the image is missing over here. So let me simply refresh the Elementor editor, and let's try to find out what the issue is. As you can see, everything is fully editable using Elementor native elements. The text, the headings, the text editors and everything else are completely native Elementor elements, and we can simply edit them however we want. Okay, so this is completely game changing. I mean, just look at this. This is an icon box. Okay, we can simply edit everything. And okay, so image is missing over here, so no issue. Let me simply, let's choose this one. Let me simply use this image over here, and check this out. The look has been fixed. Amazing, right? Just check this out. Okay, yeah, looking well. Okay, so let me simply toggle this off, and let's publish the page and check this out on our web screen. So the page has been published. Let me simply refresh it, and check this out. The website is looking amazing. Okay, let's check out the other sections. Everything is looking well and fine. The review section, the contact form and the Google Maps, everything is pretty aligned, and the layout is looking amazing. Okay, so we can almost edit everything over here. This is what we tried to achieve, and we were able to achieve it. Okay, so this is very well. Okay, as you can see, everything is heading, text editors, icon box or icon list, which can be simply edited, right? So this is how you can follow this complete workflow to create your own Elementor website. As you can see, I can simply edit the number over here. Okay, so it's fully visual and simple drag and drop. This is a text editor, and that particular logo image was linked with the home. Okay, so everything is fully working and fully professional. Let me check this out. Okay, it is an icon list, and this one is also an icon list, so we can simply edit this website however we want. Okay, and it's pretty easy and pretty simple using Elementor page builder. Let me simply change this text, the design layout placeholder. Okay, let me simply type design by ER Suraj Verma or something like that. Okay, after that, simply click on the publish button, and let me refresh the page, and check this out, guys. It's been updated in real time. So now let me show you how can you make this page as your default home page. So let's go to settings and under reading, and there you will be able to select the static page for the home page display, and let's select it as home. Okay, so now that slash home will be gone, and we will be able to see our home page on our normal subdomain or domain you might be using. Okay, so let me simply remove this, and now it will be load automatically as our default home page. And check this out, guys. So this is how you can create amazing looking WordPress Elementor website, which will be fully editable, and it just took us to create 15 to 16 minutes. Now let's compare the HTML and WordPress version side by side. As you can see, this is looking completely identical, just a font family mismatch. Other than that, everything is completely identical. We can simply change the font family, no issue. So I hope you have liked this video so far, and if you have liked it, then make sure to like this video, comment on this video, and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. I will meet you guys in the next video. Till then, thank you very much.